Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, this is not our typical build video. This is actually an addition to one of our machines sa shop. It's a remote control for the dust collection. It's not actually necessary sa isang shop. It's just that we thought na mas mapapadali yung pagtatrabaho namin with this addition to it. So, una kong ginawa is binaklas ko muna yung mismong dust collection bag, and then tinignan ko yung power switch ng dust collection. So una kong ginawa is tinanggal ko yung mismong switch, and then after that yung cover plate. So sa cover plate nandun na rin yung ground nung mismong wiring. And tinanggal ko syempre yung ground, and then after that nandun din sa loob yung capacitor. Then yung wiring from the outlet going to the machine. So yung black wire is the neutral wire, and then the white wire is the line or current carrying line. So again, yung white yung kuryente, yung black yung neutral. And the other side then, yellow naman yung kuryente, black naman yung neutral. So here's the switch. So sa left side, yun yung manggagaling sa AC natin or your outlet. That's a current source. And then sa right side, going to the machine naman. So ililipat lang yung linya dun sa may stock na switch going to this RF switch. So unang tinanggal ko yung galing sa kuryente or yung sa may outlet. And then nilipat ko lang yung white, which is the line. Ayan, naka-indicate naman din na L for line. And then yung black naman for the neutral. And then right beside it, doon naman yung para sa papunta naman sa machine. So yung yellow, yun yung line, and then the black again is neutral. And that's it. Tinesting ko and wala naman ka problema, talagang plug and play lang siya. So after ko siya matest, binalik ko na yung pagkakaayos niya kanina o yung wiring, including the new RF switch sa loob nung switch box. So binalik ko lang yung capacitor, and then medyo pinuwersa ko yung RF switch, pero okay pa rin naman. Then binalik ko yung ground, and then yung cover plate. Tapos, binalik ko rin yung switch. Pero ngayon, parang design na lang siya. Wala na siyang function kasi nga dahil dun sa remote. And then, to finally test it out, binalik ko yung line and dust bag. And there it is. So, para masubukan kung anong difference sa merong switch at wala, or may remote at wala, nagputol ako ng 2 3 feet na mahogany. Rough wood to pareho eh. So, yung unang part ng video is si number 1, which is yung walang remote control and so on. Here's a video of it. Medyo malungkot pagka pumunta sa switch, no? So yung etong first part na to is the usual paggamit ng dust collection. So I started off with milling sa jointer, and then sa thickness planer. And then I moved on to the table saw. Then after that, para makuha ko yung final length, I jumped to the miter saw. Okay. So, moving on to the second part o yung comparison with the switch. Ito yung pangalawang video. I now have the switch with me. So, nilagyan ko lang ng ID race para nakasugbit na lang siya sa leg ko. pag gagamitin ko. So, same process, same length of wood, rough din ulit. Again, una sa jointer. Actually, mas matagal pa yung pagjo-join ko rito kasi nandito yung medyo bowed part nung lumber or nung stock ko. So after the jointer, thickness planer. And pagkatapos nun, table saw ulit. And finally, sa may miter saw to get the final length. So, advantage in having a remote switch sa dust collection. For me, nung first time kong ginamit to sa may video, and very convenient kasi hindi na ako pabalik-balik sa machine, going to the dust collection, and back, vice versa. So, it's very handy and works great. And I think pwede rin to sa usual vacuum. You just need to configure the wiring for it. And that's it. It's a short video of maybe an addition to your shop. Thanks for watching.